mga kabalen, welcome to Wonone, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, kung kayo yung naghahanap ng Australian steaks na pwede yung puntahan dito sa may Angela City, this is for you.
Guys, if you wanna know more about this, ano yung mga sinerve nila dito, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Table, meron tayong tatlong klase ng steak. And then, yung niluluto naman ni Mart, ito tinatawag nilang vegetable samgyeopsal.
So, vegetable samgyeopsal, meron siyang enoki, meron siyang bell pepper, meron mushroom.
Iba-ibang klase mushroom.
Tapos wrapped with meat.
So, ito naman yung kanilang version ng pork sinigang. Sinigang soup. Trying out their steak for the first time. Ito siya. Guys, yung kanilang sinigang. And so this is a Pinoy meal or dish, no? Yum.
If you want to level up your spiciness naman, meron din sila dito yung kanilang bulgogi gugbab, which is yung parang spicy beef soup. So, which is this one? Tingnan mo naman. Kulay pa lang, parang mapapaluha ka. So, si Australian Steakhouse is located dito sa may Phelan Friendship Highway, and they're open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
If you're looking for a steakhouse dito po sa may Angela City, this is another option for you. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching Wonone in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Peace out, guys.